In today's video, we will be talking about 20 robotic animals that will blow your mind. Number 20. Bionicants. The bionic ants imitate the cooperative behavior of natural ants using a complex control algorithm. They work together under clear rules and communicate with each other. The bionic ants coordinate their actions and movements among each other, demonstrating how they can solve a complex task together, working as an overall network system. Number 19. Robot Jellyfish. This is an artificial jellyfish with movements that are just as fascinating as the real one. It can be used for pure entertainment in the aquarium to working as an undercover radio anchor in the open sea. Its movement is controlled by shifting its weight. They either move alone or in a swarm, or communicate with other robots to avoid underwater collisions. Number 18. Big Dog Robot. The Big Dog is an assistant robot created for soldiers to help carry the load that drags them down. It can carry loads of up to 500 kg and can reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. Number 17. Robot Salamander. This is the only robot that can move both in water and on land. It has a lightweight body which allows it to flow freely. While on the ground, it moves using its curved legs. Although it has a low speed, the passage on complex surfaces is excellent. Number 16. Crabster CR200. This is a 6-legged underwater robot developed at the Korean Institute of Ocean Science and Technology. It is usually lowered by crane to around 200 meters below the surface. Its movement is powered by 30 joints like a crab. The robot's front legs are equipped with manipulators that grasp objects. Number 15. Bionickangaroo Robot. The Bionickangaroo Robot was created by the German company Festo. It is a robotic kangaroo that weighs 7 kg and can move exactly like the real animal. This robot can jump up to 80 centimeters long and 40 centimeters high. Number 14. Robot Fish. The robot fish imitates all the movements and habits of a fish so that it can easily be confused with the real one. They were made in different sizes and various breeds, and their applications are mainly limited to entertainment. Number 13. Manta Ray Robot. Researchers from the National University of Singapore have created a Manta Ray Robot. It is an aquatic robot that imitates the swimming locomotion of manta rays. It swims at speeds of twice its body length per second and can operate for up to 10 hours. Number 12. Robot Spider T8. This robot does not only look like a spider, but it also moves like one. It is a wireless, programmable, and rechargeable robot with 26 leg motors. The robot can be controlled on your smartphone, computer, or tablet where you can instruct it to walk forward or backward. It comes in hairy and plastic skin versions. Number 11. Spotmini Robot Dog. Spotmini is a 55-pound dog-like body with a long dinosaur-like neck and an optional snake-like arm. This compact, 4-legged robot can move around your office, home, and even outdoors. It can sense and avoid obstacles, climb stairs, map its environment, and also open doors. The robot's mainframe has a quick disconnect battery, stereo cameras in the front, rear cameras, and side cameras. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are loving the content. Number 10. Scorpion Hexapod Robot. The Scorpion Hexapod was developed by 3 students from Ghent University in Belgium. It is a 6-legged floor crawler with 3D printed body parts affixed to a plastic plate main body. The robot navigates around obstacles and moves multi-directionally using infrared sensor technology. It has a stinger that works like that of a real scorpion, and the red pen tip stinger completes the effect. It fires its stinger at the hand of anyone covering its eyes, leaving a red mark as a reminder of the encounter. Number 9. Robot Bird. The Bionic Bird is an app-controlled drone that flies like a bird. The robot simulates natural flight within a 100 meter. The illusion is that it cannot be distinguished from other birds, and some birds even chase this remote-controlled robot to prey on it. However, the robot's functionality allows it to dodge these predators. Finally, this robot flies in cathedral silence at 12 miles per hour on independent wings that beat 18 times per second, which is a faster wing speed than the majority of the bird species we have. The best part of this robot is the portable egg-shaped charger that powers its ultralight battery. Number 8. Necoro Robot. This robot is covered with a soft wool and looks like a live pet both in its behavior and appearance. The robot cat will purr when you scratch its ears or stroke its back. It also expresses other emotions from welcoming meowing to angry growling. It uses 48 sounds recorded with real animals to express its emotion. Sensors are located in the cat's nose. Number 7. Nybble. This is not just a robotic cat that walks, it is a new type of pet. It is a robotic kitten that you bring to life with a small customizable software and a basics components kit. Its motion is driven by a microcontroller and it stores distinctive muscle memory to move around. It comes with an optional chip that can be mounted on top of Nybble's back to help it with perception and decision. Number 6. Robot Octopus. This robot was created for deep-sea exploration. It has silicone tentacles that are driven by electric motors which accelerate the octopus at 20 centimeters per second. The robot is equipped with a camera and recording equipment. Number 5. Festo Bionicopter. This is an ultralight flying robot inspired by the Dragonfly. It can hover in the air and fly in all directions. It can also execute the most complicated flight maneuvers. Bionicopter is a great deal. It is larger than the insect that inspired it. The robot is 17 inches long with a wingspan of 25 inches. It can move each of its wings independently. This enables it to slow down, turn abruptly, and also to accelerate swiftly and even fly backward. Its wings are made of foil and carbon fiber, and the body is made of polyimide and tear polymer. 9 tiny servo motors, radio modules, a battery, and an ARM microcontroller are hidden in the thorax section. There's special software that helps to control the flight. Number 4. AIBO. This is an artificial intelligent puppy that is a must-have. It has a unique character depending on how the owner educates it. AIBO remembers actions that were followed by the owner's appraisal and tries to repeat them. The developers aim to make the robot as alive as possible. It has 2 displays in place of the eyes that show emotions depending on the mood of the pet. It reacts to its owner's touch, plays with balls, recognizes approving words, and willingly learns new tricks. Number 3. Robot Shark. A sample of a swimming robot shark was presented to the public with a length of only 1.5 meters. This robot makes a striking impression. It can sink 400 meters, but this is not the limit since the works are still in progress. Number 2. Robot Cheetah. The robot Cheetah is capable of reaching 45 kilometers per hour. Engineers are still working to give the robot a proper appearance, and they also plan to speed up the mechanical runner. Number 1. Robot Snake. The robot snake design provides a small diameter and it can move in almost any direction. This makes the robot ideal for accessing tight spaces. The robot is designed to move like a biological snake, and it has the potential of meeting the growing need for robotic mobility in unknown and challenging environments. They use their internal degree of freedom to maneuver tightly packed volumes, accessing locations that people and machines cannot access. The robot has 12 segments actuated by servo motors and joined with metal brackets. The servo motors are controlled by an Arduino Mega and powered by a 7.4-volt battery pack.